expenses or income of a capital nature or of a revenue nature. Then every transaction you look at, they can be only of three types. They can be either a personal account, a real account, or nominal. And there are three rules for that. What is the rule for personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Correct. What is the rule for real accounts?
Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
What is the rule for nominal account?
Debit all expenses and losses.
All income. Okay. Now all that is done, but at the end of the day, it is all here. You have to put it into document. The next concept of importance is to understand the process of documenting transactions through what is commonly referred to as vouchers. Documentation voucher. Everybody talks about it. Many people are not clear what it is. A voucher is just a document in which the details of the transaction is captured in a predetermined manner. Every business has their pre-printed voucher. Okay. And predetermined manner suitable to that organization. तो आपके पास भी होगा डेबिट वाउचर, क्रेडिट वाउचर, standard printed. Each voucher needs to be supported by an accompanying bill or other proof of transaction. Bills issued by external parties are considered more valuable. Now you bought a laptop. You said I paid 31,180. The auditor will say, fine, you paid it. Where is the proof? You have to give it invoice. You will say, no, I have prepared the invoice. That's not acceptable. It has to be by the supplier. That is why I said bills issued by external parties are considered more valuable. Normally what happens, every organization fixes a limit. Say 500 rupees. 500 rupees, say in excess of 500 rupees, agar kharcha hai, it has to be supported by a okay. This is also something which is randomly checked, not completely, randomly checked. Every organization classifies vouchers into various series required, right? Normal series would be purchase voucher, sales voucher, bank payment voucher, bank receipt voucher, cash payment voucher, cash receipt voucher, journal voucher, debit note, credit note. These are various types of vouchers which are used. Most of these are easy to understand, having interacted with them in your work. Most of you would have seen. Very often, a statement from the accountant that he has to pass a JV is very confusing. Okay, JV or journal voucher is simply a document to record transactions which cannot be recorded by
Anybody else?
by any other voucher. There is no purchase, there is no sale. For example, you are sitting here, you are doing some 5 things at the same time. Okay. Oh, banda aaya, ye aaya, wo aaya, and finally you are suddenly you receive a call from Naveen ji saying that please pay that fellow, the Pandit ji, 580 rupees. And it is required for expenses. Now you are on the phone, you are also on the computer, you are taking out money. So you have paid him 580 while recording your record it is 850. Figure reversal. In the evening it doesn't tally. You say मेरे पास 270 रुपए ज़्यादा कैसे हैं? He has paid
850. Sorry, 580.
Okay.
Excess.
So now there is an error. This is human error. Normally what will you do? Cut it and say no, it is not.
It is filed.
Okay. In accounts you are not allowed to cut. You pass another entry saying that in correction of that entry which has been passed wrongly, serial number so and so. The point is, galti ho gayi, no problem. But show that that is a mistake and this is the correction. The journal voucher. Okay. So correction, overriding, in money matters you have to be completely. It is not enough if you are honest. You have to show that you have processes which ensure honesty. Okay. This is one of the ways. And other uses of journal voucher will come through when we go through the other documents. Okay. as I said, the most important use of HAV is rectification of errors. An accountant is as human as anybody else. Okay, he can make mistakes. Other uses of journal voucher are regarding payroll. Payroll, if you are going to pay 20 people, preparing 20 vouchers is a waste of time, no? You prepare one list and prepare one voucher. Okay. Or payroll transactions, monthly or yearly closing transactions. Okay. I told you about dividend. P&L account को debit करेंगे और general reserve account, sinking fund for debenture redemption account, dividend account, ये जो entry pass करेंगे, it is called a G. Okay. Monthly and year closing transaction. Provision for expenses for which bills are yet to be received. I started saying that when you are preparing the profit हुआ या loss हुआ, all the income of that period, all the expenses of that period have to be taken. But March, electricity bill is not coming in March, so you pass a journal voucher to say this is the expected. Okay. Now each voucher finds its way into a day book or the register like a cash book, balance book, passbook, because when you pass at the end of the day you have to summarize that account, because cash के लिए you cannot pass so many entries in the ledger, because you may have some 50 entries, 60 entries. For a large company it will be 1000. So you have something called a day book for that. The original concept of the day book was
and petty cash, is it one and the same?
which one? No, petty cash is different. Day book is for all others. Okay. Petty cash you still make, especially if it is offline. See, if you have a corporate office and you have a branch,
Yeah.
obviously for financial flexibility there is a concept of petty cash for the branches.
Branch.
Okay. Now, in the ledger, why this is not required these days, the concept is still needed, but today it is all computerized. So there is no need for a day book and all that. Now, every transaction must finally find its way into the ledger. What is a ledger? One thick book. Have you all seen the thick book?
Lal rang ka.
All halal rank ka, all the, every account has a name. Building account, computer account, goods account, every account. So all these vouchers which you made, डेबिट वाउचर, क्रेडिट वाउचर, जो डेबिट वाउचर है वो उसमें डेबिट साइड में पोस्ट करेंगे उस अकाउंट में, जो क्रेडिट वाउचर है क्रेडिट साइड में उस अकाउंट में पोस्ट करेंगे. सपोज यू हैव अ डेबिट वाउचर फॉर परचेज ऑफ ऑफिस, सो इन द ऑफिस स्पेस अकाउंट इन द लेजर यू विल पोस्ट इट ऑन द डेबिट साइड. सिंपली डेबिट मीन्स डेबिट साइड में पोस्ट करें, क्रेडिट साइड ऑन दैट. ओके. Now, for every transaction, there will be a debit entry in one ledger account and a credit entry in another ledger account. I have told you that for every transaction there will be one debit and one credit, equal. But when posting, you will find that one debit will go into one account and one credit will go into
some other
account. Okay. The cash book and the bank book serve as a ledger as well, because you don't have to create another one. No? You have already for cash book and for passbook. Ledger typically will have columns for date, voucher number, particulars of transactions, and column for debit, credit, and balance.
Ledger folio number भी आता है. Folio number generally they write the entry.
Yeah. No, every voucher will have a running serial number. Every ledger will have a folio number, because if somebody tears it out, how will you know?
The number has to tally.
Number has to tally. Okay. If the debit side of the transactions are greater than credit, it is called debit balance. If credit side is greater, it is called credit balance. Okay. So, okay. Then, once you have posted all the entries into the ledger, at the end of the year you will take all the debit, all the credit and देखेंगे कि balance, credit balance है या debit balance है, and all those accounts you will draw. ये account में debit balance है, ये account में credit balance है. You will just put it on a sheet of paper, separate sheet of paper, which will have all the ledger accounts and what are the balances. Debit balance है या credit balance है. and then you have to add all the debit and the credit balances. Should the total tally?
No. It will not tally. Because there is a vacuum there. Either, no, you are talking, yeah, it will tally.
It has to tally. It has to tally.
All
All the debits, the debit balances and credit balances, it
Of
has to
different accounts should
Trial
tally at
it
the
should
end.
tally. That is why I say if this happens, the trial balance is stated to be tally, not an issue under computerized accounting. Today, if you post one wrong voucher, the system blocks. Okay, but during my days, I
Yeah, trial balance we have to make everything and then see. Tally work in it.
because this during my days we didn't even have a calculator. Computer तो दूर की बात है. So now they say no, necessity is the mother of invention. I could add two columns together. Two columns because I had, when I was in Delhi, I had 60 ledgers. I was in the biggest branch of IOB in Delhi called Janpat branch, and my staff, they were all a law unto themselves. And I was not from Delhi, I was from Mumbai. So I didn't know. I said, huh?
Madrasi.
That is, I was not considered. I was not considered because we had a lot of people from South who even couldn't communicate. I was fondly referred to as Amitabh Bachchan because of my Aila, Gaila, kya kar rahe hai, and all that. And Hindi actually improved after I spent time in Delhi. Okay. So, necessity, you have to do it. And once it did not tally, and once you close the books, 30th December को, transactions के बाद, 31st December is the annual closing, one day, first morning you have to start. That means it has to tally. Actually, 30th whole night I stayed, 31st at 2 o'clock in the afternoon I went home because there was a difference and you had to track and correct the difference. Okay, today life is much easier. Okay, because of the computerized accounting practice. But उसमें क्या है? Because you have to do all those works, you know, funda clear हो जाते हैं. Whether you like it or not, your fundas will be clear.
One thing is, once if you make a mistake in totaling up, you will find that you are always making the same mistake because your brain is already set.
And we used to have a typical this thing these days, like here how a fellow counts and you know what his mother tongue is. Typically, this of course doesn't work with my children. Now, you have prepared a sheet. First, you picked up a transaction, identified the two sides, then said which is real, personal or nominal, applied the rule, prepared the vouchers. Vouchers were posted into the ledger accounts. Then you closed the ledger accounts and extracted the balance and put it down on a separate sheet of paper, which also tallied. On that sheet, simply against each one write whether it is an asset account, a liability account, an income account or expenditure account.
Profit and loss.
Okay, income account है या expenditure account है, asset account है या liability. Once you do that, pick up only the income or the expenditure and put it on another sheet of paper, which is called profit and loss.
The first is balance sheet.
No.
Asset and
Trial balance.
No, this
Okay. Let's
from the trial balance. On the trial balance sheet only, you have written which is asset, which is liability, which is income, which is expenditure. And then you only pick up the income and expenditure and put it on another sheet of paper. That is called a profit and loss account.
Okay.
Income and expenditure account.
Okay.
You
Same.
can give any name. Okay. And then you pick up all the assets and liabilities and put it onto another sheet of paper. It is called
Balance sheet.
okay. Financial statement, income statement is called. It is also known as profit loss account. Captures all the income and expenditure accounts, usually presented in a summarized form, leading to the declaration of a profit or a loss. Will P&L account tally? Profit and loss account, will the debit and credit balances tally?
No profit, no loss.
It should not tally.
Or
Okay,
No.
the credit side will be more than the debit side. The income is more than the expenditure. once you declare there is a profit or a loss, इसके जो balances हैं, that you will transfer to the balance sheet. Then only the balance sheet will tally. Okay. Balance sheet captures the assets of the company and how they have been financed by the company. All the assets and the for this purpose, equity capital is treated as a liability since it is a source of funds.
Correct.
So हम क्या है ब्रिटिश के जमाने के फॉलो करते हैं. Personal my belief is British have made life more difficult than it is.
Miserable.
Okay, Americans are straightforward. They don't use these terms. Okay, then they call it a balance sheet, statement of affairs. Any person can understand. कोई जो accountant नहीं हो, what is the statement of affairs? क्या हो रहा है इसका? Okay, so whereas a profit and loss account they call it just an income statement. कि this is the income, this is the expenditure. Okay, they have gone one step ahead and they have said ये सब मत बताओ for simple people. You say what we own, what we own, what is ours, what is borrowed. Okay, or they have said what are the sources of funds and what is the simple way so that anybody can understand. Okay, so for this purpose equity is borrowed money. Everything is borrowed money. The company doesn't have anything of its own. It borrows money either as equity capital or as loans. Okay. Now there is a third statement called the cash flow statement. Okay. अब क्या है? I have to give you a personal example for this. Till 1995, one of the most profitable companies, two-wheeler companies in India was Amara Bajaj. Okay. Now, when I was a teenager, there was no other two-wheeler manufacturer in this country. There was only Amara Bajaj. So, Papa के पीछे पड़ गया कि two-wheeler. So he said, fine, I'll buy you. Those days, if you had to buy a two-wheeler, you go and fill up Hamara Bajaj form. Form पे लिखा हुआ है price 1 rupee. Bajaj family sells it in black for 3 rupees. I'm telling you the levels to which morality and ethics had fallen in this country. You buy that, you pay the full price of the scooter, 2,750 rupees. And वो form fill up करके you have to pay by draft in advance. भाई साहब आप ये नहीं पूछ सकेंगे कि क्या कलर है क्या कुछ नहीं. You just fill it in.
वो भी नहीं पूछ.
नहीं. You fill it in and give it. I filled it in and I waited 7 years.
Yeah.
7 years for a two-wheeler. This is where this country comes from.
Vaspa. It used to be Vaspa. Became Bajaj. At 7 years.
अब देखिए कि
Teenager will get married and will have children.
No, I was not a teenager by then.
That's what. No. By the time
Childhood is our teenage.
Yeah. So what has happened was this company, which has been using public money without interest for 7 years, will it not be profitable? It is a highly profitable company. But once this was introduced, they had to show how much money they were earning from scooter and how much from financial activity.
Interest.
48% of Bajaj Auto's revenues came from non-finance activities, sir.
Marwadi, Pakka, Rahul Bajaj.
Okay, now it is a big advantage for him because he had two sons, Sanjeev and Rajiv. Now he has separated the finance company and given to one scooter to another. Okay, but the thing is still then nobody knew. It's a highly profitable company. Then you start going into, अरे boss, only 50% is coming from two-wheeler. बाकी तो ये market में उनको ऊपर नीचे करने से पैसे मिल रहे हैं उनको. This statement now government has made it compulsory. Okay, that's why I said it forms a trimurti of annual accounts as we would call it. Profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash. Okay, it is more reason to origin maybe due to pressure from investors for more detailed information disclosure. It captures the flow of cash into the organization. Okay, I have built this new building. Okay, that is shown in the balance sheet. पैसे कहाँ से आए? How the money flows. Okay, that you get to know from cash flow statement. Now, the cash flow statement is generally divided into 3 sections. Cash flow from operations. जिस धंधे के लिए आपने ये कंपनी की स्थापना की, उससे कितने पैसे मिल रहे हैं? And how much is it contributing to the business? Cash flow from investment activity. सरप्लस पैसा है आप मार्केट में लगा रहे हैं, उससे कितना इनकम आ रहा है? एंड कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज, कितना पैसा मार्केट से आपने उठाया? एंड रिमेंबर दिस हैज टू बी परफेक्ट. व्हाई? द स्टेटमेंट स्टार्ट्स विद ओपनिंग कैश बैलेंस एज पर योर बैलेंस शीट एंड लीड्स टू अ क्लोजिंग बैलेंस, सो इट हैज टू टैली. सो एवरी पैसा हैज टू बी अकाउंटेड फॉर.
Sir, one question. The cash which is diverted into speculation of any kind incurs losses. How do they account? I can't.
Cash flow
It is
for
cash flow from investment activities which will be in brackets.
But it has to show profit and loss again.
Yes. Means if it is
It has to be
eating.
also another accounting completely.
Yes. And you have to say it is कि मैंने बस मार्केट में लगाया है, and if I have lost, fine. But show it not under main business. Hide मत करो.
Hide मत.
You have to show it as transfer. Okay.
So once you ask Naveen,
Sorry, I didn't. You needed a break, no? It's over. So
Ah,
that's why.
see?
yes, thank you.
Okay.
तिरंगा जी बोलेंगे कि आपने उसे कॉज किया ब्रेक.
See, well, for a second my mind went there, and he said, "Sorry, yaar, खाने के बाद missed." And he said,
And here also
"Thank you."
At the same time, मैं गया उस लड़की को लर्न से कुछ एडवाइस दिया.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन क्या बात किया. यानी आपके भूख को जो है ना यहाँ सब बंद कर दिया. Causing something to happen.
Great, but let's clap for him.
Amazing job, sir.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Take a feedback that such a simple way even I did not learn in college. हमको बोले 3 बाय हार्ट करो. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit the receiver, credit the all expenses. समझ गया? हाँ समझ गया. वो नॉमिनल अकाउंट क्या है उतना समझ नहीं, वो कितना टाइम लगा. बैलेंस शीट
That was
टैली होगा
difficult,
ही
but
नहीं.
then elimination rule is the best. Whatever is not real, it was.
Today I am saying that it is coming back in such a way that I am sitting in first become part 1 bookkeeping. It is called become part 1 bookkeeping. I debit the receiver, credit. I am by heart with this 3 theory, but when it comes to application मेरा बैलेंस शीट कभी टैली नहीं होगा. मालूम मैं रियल किधर गया था, नॉमिनल किधर गया.
और the second इसके बाद का जो सेशन है, that is exercise. Means where you have to actually do
Apply.
it is very clear. We are not testing your arithmetic here. So I don't care if your it doesn't
फिजिकल
tally.
मिस्टेक हुआ चलेगा.
Conceptually, you should be clear.
वही ना, इन इंटरकॉमर्स हम लोग इंटरकॉमर्स पास करते समय मेरी तो जान निकल गई, क्योंकि एंट्री सब पास करो पहले, फिगर में हम लोग टोटली मिस्टेक कर ही सकते हैं. ये मैं पकड़ के चलता हूँ.
See, in my case it was a double-edged this thing. I had always wanted to be a doctor. Okay. I had taken admission at Grand Medical College.
Huh?
My father said he will take PF ka loan, and just before the exams, he passed with it.
Same
बंद
story.
करून टाकना.
Heart attack. Okay. And since I talk, you listen. There are several things which are understood by you, or you think you are understood. But the real doubts come when you are actually trying to, as Naveen put it as, knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge plus skills leads to wisdom. So this is a very basic exercise in skill, applying what you know. Okay. So I have designed this not as a corporate business, but as your personal. कि अपने ही घर में एक फैमिली है husband, wife, 2 children. Husband is working, wife is homemaker. Okay. I have developed a example like that कि अपना ही बजट घर में करना है. What are the things?
Sir, can I just tell you one thing? Thank you very much. Since yesterday we are talking about I, my family and my organization.
Correct.
Okay.
Economics.
Basically, I have to start with myself. Then only I can go to organization, which is nothing but a collection of individuals. Okay. The rules are the same. The basic rules are the same. Then, financial statements. Profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statements. Who uses it? If nobody uses it, it's of no use producing it. There are people using it. And why is it important to know who are the users? We have to prepare it in such a way that it is relevant and useful for those people. We have it. First is shareholders. What is another name for shareholders? Owners.
Partners. Is it owners or partners?
Owners or partners. See, the term partner is used, at least in the Indian context, as somebody who not only shares earnings but shares efforts.
Efforts also.
Efforts also. Whereas owners, they are shareholders. They don't share in the effort. They are only shareholders. Okay. That is why the term shareholder. Then lenders. Anybody who lends money. Kya है boss? For your company. Third is employees. Very, very important. Okay. Government. Okay. For taxes. Business associates. Over the last 20 years, this has become very important. क्योंकि उसके पहले हम सोचते थे I have to do everything myself. Now, world has gone from complete ownership to partnership, working with other people. If I am a car manufacturer, I don't have to produce everything. There are other people who will help me produce it. And they are definitely interested. If you grow, I also grow. Business associates. Potential investors. I won't invest, but how is the business doing? Competitors. The first 50 cars of any new model sold is bought in Benami names. You know who buys it?
Competitors.
They tear it apart to see kya hai. And of course, students like this. Okay. So, I talked to you about profit and loss account, balance sheet. Okay. Now it is presented in a certain format and all that. There is a logic behind it also. What is the logic? You have heard the term stakeholders. आजकल बहुत फैशन है. हर एक बंदा यूज करता है. Whether he understands or not, stakeholders. Now, what do you understand by in a business? Who are the stakeholders?
Everybody. Customer is a stakeholder.
Suppliers.
Employees are stakeholders. Government is stakeholders. Society is stakeholders.
Absolutely.
All those
You know,
are
one
involved.
wonderful thing came. The first name which you took was
Customers.
जितने भी क्लासेस मैंने कंडक्ट किए हैं, द फर्स्ट स्टेकहोल्डर promoter, owner. I said the most important person in any business is customer. Okay. So you have customers, then you have suppliers, then you have employees, then you have creditors or lenders, then you have government, and then you have
Shareholders.
there is a specific logic, rationale behind it. सोचिए कि in this whole organization there is only one plus.
Just for all.
बाकी खाते हैं सब. Everybody else takes, doesn't give. Only the customer gives. You pay the suppliers, you pay the employees, you pay the lenders, you pay the government. इतने सारे पे करने के बाद अगर कुछ बचा
तो
shareholders.
Okay, now you understand why the most risky investment is shares. बड़ी लंबी क्यू है साहब. They will all take, and they will take it as a matter of right, contractual law. So, in any business, I want to grow, I want to do this. एक ही तरीका है, इसको बढ़ाओ. Okay, otherwise you are not going anywhere. Okay, the rest you can only improve efficiencies. सप्लायर को पार्टनर बना दो. बजाज ऑटो, लड्डा जी, आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिम 20 years ago कि लड्डा जी आपका इन्वेंट्री क्या है? दिस इज 18 months इन्वेंट्री आई कैरी. आई सेड 18 months काफी ज्यादा है. इसे यार हर बार दिल्ली जाना पड़ता है, लाइसेंस ले लो वहां से, ये करो वो करो, फिर के बाद लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट खोलो, फिर बाहर से शिपमेंट मंगाओ. आई हैव टू हैव अ बफर. 1995 आफ्टर Dr. Manmohan Singh's initiatives. By the way, Dr. Manmohan Singh is my God. I have not seen God. I have seen Dr. Manmohan Singh. Whatever people may say about him.
Yes, that role was different than what he's playing now.
Okay. I asked Ladda ji, what do you think now? He says, क्या बताऊं जरा? He says, what is your inventory now? He says 3 weeks. 18 months, 3 weeks. He says, supplier को partner बना दिया यार. I have given him access to my computer system, ERP. उसको कहते हैं ERP, Enterprise Resource. He sees my inventory has dropped to this level, he automatically shifts because we already have standardized agreements and prices.
Dell does not have inventory. You order a computer to Dell, everybody knows, and everybody puts in there the sync for assembly and the computer is delivered.
Dell is nothing but a huge global supply chain organization. So, then you have employees. I pay him a salary, he works for me. No, I want something more from him. Okay, I will pay him a bonus for good performance. That is not enough, boss. I want him to give his best. I make him a partner. I give him shares. I give him equity options. Take everybody together.
Infosys.
ESOPs. Infosys has created 3 million millionaires. I mean, गर्व की बात है. It happened only later after that. उसके पहले क्या है? You take everything and sit on it. Okay. And then creditors, lenders, they are very popular. Okay. If they support you, you will grow. Government is a stakeholder in every business.
तुम करो कुछ नहीं करो.
They are there. Then after paying all that, everything is left is comes to shareholders. Now what is profit and loss account? Nothing यार. Customers से इतना पैसा आया, suppliers को दे दिया. This is gross profit.
Net profit after tax.
Employees, इसके बाद दे दिया, ये हो गया EBITDA. इसके बाद हो गया this is PBT. Then it comes PAT. और उसके बाद after you pay everything, that is how P&L is. Now you understand. There is a logic behind it.
Perfect.
Why it is organized this way. Okay. So keep all these people always in mind. You cannot say, I will tell one thing to this person and one thing to this person. You can't do that. Transparency. It applies to everybody. This is the truth and it is available to everybody. They have a right to criticize. Okay, but it is transparent, it is available to everybody. I had printed some. You got
Yesterday
it.
was
I had
नहीं,
printed.
that was Om Prakash.
Print copy.
Ramji Saran's print. प्रिंट किया था
This is every concept, every practice which I have discussed with you in the previous session will find application in this example. What am I saying? You are a 40-year-old married and salaried male in Mumbai. Okay. With 2 school-going children, with wife being a householder, homemaker. Your opening bank balance as of April 1st was 1,25,000. That is when the story starts. Okay. So, these are your monthly financial details for the year 2005-2006. This is salary after tax. You receive 50,000 per month. This is all per month. I said these are your monthly financial details. So when you are preparing the accounts, everyone has to be into 12. Okay. Salary.
Yesterday we were talking the same thing. Eventually today it has come to that.
Salary after tax. Okay. House rent, which is paid. Provisions, घर का खर्चा. Okay. Groceries, children's education fees, savings bank interest income which you get on a monthly basis. Tuition fees. Wife is a homemaker. She is at home. She is giving tuitions. She is earning 5,000 rupees per month.
Fees it as a income out of tuition. I heard tuition fees, बच्चों का tuition fees.
No, that's why I said tuition fees income.
Income.
Okay. Entertainment expenditure.
It's a,
Then traveling expenses, then medicines expenses, then miscellaneous expenses. Okay, this is a list of monthly expenses.
so electricity bill or water supply bill.
No, that comes under these various
Miscellaneous.
categories. Yeah, because see, what I have tried to do is to mirror an individual. Huh? Then
ट्यूशन फीस इनकम कैसे होता है? ट्यूशन एजुकेशन
की वाइफ कुछ घर में ट्यूशंस लेती है
वो हाउस होममेकर है, वो घर बैठी है, ट्यूशंस देती है वो, so she is getting some income. Okay. Now in this year you also had some more money transactions. Remember, previous sheet was monthly. This is full year. Dividend income 2,500 you received. You bought a new fridge for 10,000 rupees and furniture for 25,000 rupees. You began investment in shares and invested rupees 1 lakh so far. As of the end of 31st March, the value is 1,30,000. Okay. In the year, you also had some more money transactions. You put a 1-year FD of 2 lakhs rupees at 8% per annum with interest payable quarterly. Okay. It matures on 30th September 2006. Okay. Now, you also had borrowed interest-free loan from your father, 75,000 rupees, which is still outstanding. Your life insurance premium is 2,500 and your family medical premium is another 2,500. Okay. Other more money transactions, you spent annual holiday cost 30,000 rupees. You own a new car, Maruti 800, which costs 2.5 lakhs, taken under hire purchase scheme, and the EMI is 5,000 rupees per month for 5 years. Now, out of the amount of 60,000, 5,000 per month, 1 year, 60,000, the interest amount is 10,000. Okay. Now you have to prepare the financial statements that must include an income and expenses account or a P&L account and a balance sheet as of 31st March. Okay. And then a brief commentary based on your interpretation of these statements. First is prepare the statements. Unless your statements are right, you will not be able to interpret it. And this interpretation is finance. अभी तक जो आप कर रहे थे, that is accounts. Okay, that is how you transition from accounts to finance. Okay, so start. You have a book. prepare a P&L account, income and expenditure account. जो लिखना है आप लिखिए. All the expenses on one side, all the incomes on the other side. See whether he has more income or more expenses.
Can we, okay, you want to do it individually? Can you do it?
Can we work together? It's better we work together, discuss.
We can, why not?
Sure, you can discuss with me because I will continuously be.
Then we'll put the board there and make a P&L account.
No, I want them to be individual because otherwise the concepts will not get fixed.
I'm not asking you to, you just post it, let us agree, and you just do the posting.
Okay, we'll
Let
agree
us
on
see
the
where we make mistakes.
No, I will be doing it. There is no need for me to do it. Subsequent,
You are already ready with that.
He is ready.
I'm sorry, I was wondering, do you want to do it first? First, chalo, theek hai.
see, I have a job for myself.
Okay.
Why? Because I asked you to prepare an income and expenditure account and balance sheet. But if you see that statement, what have I given here? I've said your opening bank balance of 1,25,000. To prepare this, you need closing,
Closing also.
which have you worked out on the tape, on the board. Okay. So you go ahead.
How much?
Chalo, let's work.
Why don't you come here and join me? No, sit here. No.
No, she has to read, I can't.
No, so she will read. Or if you want, come here.
So that all the entries are correct.
So salary. Oh, हाँ, उनका है.
See,
Opening balance is 1,25,000.
will opening balance come in the trial balance?
No.
Closing balance will come. Because you are preparing it as of 31st March.
Closing balance.
ये तो opening balance है, इसको छोड़िए. Go from the next sheet. And excellent idea, which I have never thought of, and I have been teaching this for 10 years. Okay, to prepare the trial balance. Because to me, what I have given is the trial balance. Okay, but if you actually put it as a trial balance, taking everything, you will not miss any item.
And if your totaling is correct, then your profit and loss.
कैसे कैसे करेंगे ट्रायल?
तीनों draw apply करो. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit will say trading gains. Debit all the expenses. Debit all the loss.
Income. That is for loan.
No.
No.
What have I asked you to prepare? I have asked you to prepare two statements. An income and expenditure account or profit and loss account and a balance sheet. What is the source for preparing these two? Trial balance.
Okay.
What is trial balance?
Actual posting.
All these postings.
All the balances.
Mm.
I have given you the balance in each account. You write trial balance here and copy everything, not only in this sheet but other sheets also. Correct? But this I have given monthly to उसको yearly
Multiply कर.
और बाकी सब लिख दूँ. Correct? Then write against each one, write whether it goes into P&L account or balance sheet. Just answer. Except for closing cash balance, which I will work out in the.
So income. Start with this. Salary. That is shares that we have invested back. Asset management.
See, now whatever we have built is an asset of liability. Except one. Everything else is an asset. Are the asset? What is an asset? Which is an asset?
Closing balance. Because it takes time.
Liabilities are
तो 2.5 लाख का लोन है, लेकिन इस साल वो 2.5 लाख से 50,000 रुपए आपने
2 लाख रुपया,
2
2 लाख रुपया,
2 लाख.
तो उसमें क्या होता है बैलेंस शीट में योर प्रॉफिट ऑफ 50,000 इज शोइंग एज कार अवेलेबल. यू हैव रिमूव्ड इट फ्रॉम योर सेविंग्स, पुट इन अ कार. ऐसा आता है.
लेवरेज तो 2 लाख रहेगा ना सर. एसेट्स लेवरेज दोनों रहेगा 2 लाख. कार हमारे पास है एसेट्स है
कार हमारे पास है 2.5 लाख,
लाइबिलिटी है 2 लाख,
लाइबिलिटी है 2 लाख का, क्योंकि उसने
50,000 रुपये हमने कमा लिया।
वापस कर दिया। तो
डिप्रिसिएशन एज पर नॉर्म्स 20%।
नहीं, ये इंडिविजुअल है,
Okay, but that's a good idea.
इसलिए मैंने एकदम सिंपल लिया, क्योंकि अगर मैं डिप्रिसिएशन होता है कुछ ज्यादा ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ना हो तो समझने में दिक्कत है। Financial statement that must include an income and expenses statement and a balance sheet as of 31st March 2006. ये देखेंगे, but let me make it very clear. This is not complete. The most important thing is a brief commentary based on an interpretation of these statements. कि अच्छा है मेरा position है. That was no use. ये position देखने के बाद मुझे what are the changes I should make? That is finance. लोग हमारे जैसे लोगों के पीछे भागते हैं इसलिए कि ये इसके लिए नहीं.
ये मांगता है कि where will you stand?
How are you going to change? What are the things you are going to change? See, at the end of the day, MP3 आप जानते हैं वो फॉर्मेट है टेक्नोलॉजी का, गाने का MP3 होगा. Business is nothing about MP3. What is it? People, products, processes and markets. इसका मिश्रण इस तरीके से होना चाहिए कि प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइज हो. हमेशा गड़बड़ हो जाती है कि प्रॉफिट इज नॉट मूविंग बिकॉज देयर इज सम गोची इन बिटवीन यूसेज ऑफ दिस थिंग. दैट इज व्हाट इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स लाइक वी डू. वी गो एंड लुक एट इट एंड से बॉस ये गलत है, चेंज इट विद द सेम एसेट्स यू आर एबल टू इंक्रीज योर
Optimization or utilization.
yes. Yes. Now you see here, this is the income and expenditure account. Have you taken salary 50,000 into 12, 6 lakhs?
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. Savings bank interest 400 into 12, 4,800.
Correct.
Tuition fees 5,000 into 12, 60,000.
Correct.
Dividend 2,500.
Correct.
Okay. Interest on fixed deposit सिर्फ 6 महीने के
हाँ,
लिए
वो 8,000 है.
4,000
के
into 8,000.
उधर तक बराबर.
और नेचर एक्सपेंसेस देखिए, हाउस रेंट 15,000 into 12, 1,80,000. Provisions 2,000 into 12, 2,400, 24,000. Groceries, education, entertainment, traveling, medicine into 12 into 12. सारे expenses हैं.
Provisions format को expenses.
It is expense, no? Provisions means something.
घर का सामान आया.
Provisions.
Provisions हो गया. Next thing. Now all the incomes have come.
6,000 बराबर
Sir.
है. 2,500. एक मिनट, एक just give us 2 minutes to check.
No, sure.
What are the figures?
Perfect.
So what is his income or expense? Is your figure 2,10,300?
एंट्री देखो.
6,75,300 rupees is his income, and his expenditure is less by 2,10,300. So his excess of income over expenditure is 2,10,300.
Correct.
Now this is amount we will carry
Yes,
forward to the
yes.
balance sheet.
Income over expense 2,10,000 जो है.
वो डिफरेंस है इनकम और एक्सपेंडिचर.
Expenses.
हाँ,
यानी आप if you look at it as business, that is his profit.
करेक्ट.
But मोटा मोटा.
अभी आगे क्या करना है?
Now you see the balance sheet.
ओके.
Okay. और एक चीज है, पहले हमने इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस देखा था. That is for the period ending 31st March. That is the flow over the whole year. Balance sheet is at on 31st March. This is the position. Is this the position on 30th March? No. This is the position on 1st
At a
April.
point of time. This is
At this point. That is why it says balance sheet as at 31st March. Okay. Now you see. What is his personal equity? चालू किया था 1,25,000. इस साल का एक्सेस ऑफ इनकम और एक्सपेंडिचर कितना था? 2,10,300. Now his total is 335,300. Okay. And
Liability.
What is this loan she has taken? Unsecured interest.
Father's
Father's
Father
loan.
75 and both 2000 because 50
2 lakh.
years 2 lakh
2 lakh.
50 years already paid.
That's it.
Perfect.
And fixed asset देखिए एक तो है electric appliances fridge,
हाँ.
then furniture and fixture
Correct.
25,000.
And
Motor car,
Correct.
2 लाख रुपया
current assets थे. ये fixed assets है. Current assets है. उसका बैंक
बैंक
account
अकाउंट
23,300. The closing balance.
दैट इज द
Okay. Then
asset of 2 lakhs shares में
2 lakh. No, bank fixed deposit है 2 lakh.
हाँ.
वो है. और investment in shares.
वो 1 लाख.
I have taken only 1 lakh, not 1 lakh
30,000.
Why?
30,000 is
How
proposed.
many है?
Proposed.
What is the concept? Conservatism. जब तक
आता
आता
नहीं.
आता नहीं.
जब आएगा तभी इनकम में आएगा, अभी
Income में.
इन्वेस्टमेंट में थोड़ी आता है.
okay. So this is how it is prepared. Now वो मोटा मोटा it is clear है.
ये बैंक अकाउंट 23,000 कहाँ से?
ये मैटर मैंने लिया ना.
हाँ.
बैलेंस
Okay. Now you look at it. अभी ये बताइए कि
नहीं
उसको
सर, ये क्या है? ये बैलेंस जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछी 23,800 ये कहाँ से आया?
ये जो फिगर है 23,300. ओके. ये कहाँ से मैंने अराइव किया? मैंने बैंक अकाउंट बनाया, कैश अकाउंट, और सारे कैश ट्रांजैक्शंस डाल दिए और क्लोजिंग बैलेंस निकाल के दे दिए. मेरा ओपनिंग बैलेंस क्या था?
1,25,000.
50,000. उसके बाद में सैलरी, सेविंग्स अकाउंट इंटरेस्ट, ट्यूशन फीस, डिविडेंड, फिक्स डिपॉजिट का इंटरेस्ट, फादर का लोन, सब इतना इनकम, और उसके बाद इतने सारे एक्सपेंडिचर. मैंने देखा मेरा क्लोजिंग बैंक अकाउंट में बैलेंस कितना है? 23,000.
23,000 होना ही चाहिए, और बैंक पासबुक देखेंगे तो उतना होना चाहिए.
उतना होना चाहिए. तो वो भी तो एक इट इज अ
क्रॉस चेक.
asset, no? Now this is there. Now you tell me कि okay, now you understood it. आप इस बंदे को फुल्ली जानते हैं. अरे इसको कुछ बदलाव लाना चाहिए. How he can improve his position? Tell me anything that comes to your mind.
मुझे एक लगता है
जी
he is earning एफडी पे 8% से ले रहा है.
जी.
उसमें 2 लाख डाले हैं. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट ही कैन बाय मोटर कार और वो लोन कम करके.
अच्छा, आपका कहना ये है
Interest
कि
बचा.
अगर मोटर कार पे 14% इंटरेस्ट
हाँ.
दे रहा है और अपना एफडी लगाया है जैसे 8%
8%
तो
है,
छह-
whether he should take a motor car loan or repay.
हाँ या
वंडरफुल. आगे बोलिए.
बट सर उसमें डेप्रिसिएशन वैल्यू भी आता है.
नहीं, ये personal है ना.
अच्छा, सर इनकम टैक्स रिबेट सब नहीं देखने का.
हाँ?
और ईएमआई बढ़ते हैं, इंटरेस्ट बढ़ते हैं, इनकम टैक्स
Yeah, it is an individual. That's why I said.
अच्छा ठीक है. then we pay the 2 lakhs to the car,
car
save on 6% of interest excess to
और याद रखिए, he is 40 years old, male, residing in Mumbai, married with wife and 2 children, school-going children.
एफडी पता है.
You look at his finances.
रिकरिंग आरडी अकाउंट खोलना चाहिए बच्चों के नाम पर. कंपल्सरी सेविंग.
और मुझे लगता है
इंश्योरेंस ज्यादा कर सकते हैं.
कम लग रहा है इंश्योरेंस नया.
No, now I am looking at 23,000 which is having, saving. Where can we divert that? 23.
तो एक चीज मैं बताऊं, he is a married man, 40 years old, with wife and 2 children. Do you think having 23,000 liquid balance? No, I am responding to him. He said, what should he do to invest that also? My point is, should he even invest the 23,000 considering that?
Sir,
Yes.
but I have FD against which I can take loan, temporary loan.
On first you are saying is
एफडी will use to repay
Oh yes, I
car
have
loan.
repaid the FD, but now it 1 lakh is in shares.
शेयर्स में है अपने.
उसका तो जब आएगा तब आएगी.
You
वो
can't
कितना
really
महंगा
rely
होगा.
on that.
नहीं, then I will fix 20,000 into another empty.
Okay. You know, in my own account, I used to keep about 5 lakhs as cautionary deposit. You know, then I found that I was being stupid. I paid 1,000 rupees per month. I got a credit card on which I had a limit of 5 lakhs, which I can pay within the next billing cycle free. Okay. I took the card. Now my cautionary deposit is only 20,000, not 5 lakhs. Okay. But what I am trying to say is there is a point. Okay. आगे आप मोटा मोटा नहीं देख रहे हैं. You are getting into nitty gritties. Look at the big picture. I am repeating. He is 40 years old, school going, Mumbai, with 2 children, and something which is very very important in Mumbai.
House.
हाउस
Purchase है.
रेंट में जा रहा है इसका पैसा.
उसका रेंट जा रहा है, EMI में कन्वर्ट करो, घर में इन्वेस्ट करो.
Should he take a house in See,
Instead of past,
Asset develop करो.
every word which I have used in the, has a meaning behind it. That's why I want you to read it.
Asset
carefully.
building में जाओ.
Okay.
Convert the EMI into rent into EMI.
very good.
बट इसका जो इनकम है, इसका जो इनकम है, इसका ये रेंट पे करना है. इसका जो रेंट का वैल्यू जिस टाइप के घर के रेंट पे कर रहा है, क्या उस टाइप का घर ये खरीद सकता है इस एक्स्ट्रा इनकम में?
नहीं ये मैं
हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि कर सकता है या नहीं. हम कह रहे हैं आप इसको पॉसिबिलिटी है एक्सप्लोर. एंड फर्स्टली, whenever you look at a person, firstly, you know, as a corporate finance guy, what I look at is what is the rate of his savings, what is the savings rate here, उसकी इनकम क्या है और उसकी सरप्लस क्या है.
Surplus क्या है?
2 लाख बचा रहा है वो.
यार बंदे की सैलरी 6 लाख है और 2 लाख बचा रहा है. So,
saving
is it
capacity
in line
है.
India's savings? Okay, in India, we are very culturally हम बड़े thrifty लोग.
बराबर.
सिर्फ हम कपड़े नहीं पहनते, हमारे टीवीज कपड़े पहनते हैं, यहाँ तक कि हमारे मोबाइल्स कपड़े पहनते हैं, हमारे सूटकेसेस कपड़े पहनते हैं.
Sir, car
हम किसी चीज को फेंकते नहीं है. We are highly conservative people. India's savings rate used to be highest in the world, 34%.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And whenever I used to go to seminars and people say Indians should save more, I feel like give me एक काम के नहीं चाहिए. अरे खाए कि नहीं खाए यार. 100 रुपए में से 34 रुपए अगर इंडियन बचा रहे हैं तो उससे ज्यादा नहीं. अदरवाइज के लिए डिमांड. Okay. Now that has come down. It has come down to 27%.
No.
Okay. Now the thing is, this fellow is saving around 30%. That means he is a proper Indian culture वाला आदमी, ज्यादा कुछ शाम शूम करता है. Okay.
सर एक्सपेंडिचर में एक हॉलीडे और एक एंटरटेनमेंट है, which is not even 6% of his annual income.
Okay. और क्या कर सकते?
You know, of course, planning for the child's marriage,
Education.
further.
No, this is just loud thinking. You are not thinking as a finance person. I said look at this and give me focused suggestions. I know every ideal family should plan for their children's marriage and MBA, education and all that. यहाँ देख के आप बताइए.
लोन 75,000 फादर का है.
अब देखिए फादर लोन 75,000 इंटरेस्ट फ्री. ओके.
और अभी उसके पिताजी तो 60 साल 70 साल के हैं, तो
Okay.
उनके पैसा देना चाहिए ना अभी.
ये है हमेशा मेरे स्टूडेंट बॉडी में
हाँ.
ये नहीं डैडी से ही तो पैसा लिया है. ये वन वे
He has to
डैडी से पैसा
repay
लिया
back.
है. एक तो बंदा यहाँ तक चला गया कि सर व्हाई आई शुड शो. ओके. नाउ गो टू द नेक्स्ट.
सर ये जो लोन लिया 75,000, उसको एसेट्स में इसको इसमें क्यों दिखा रहा है?
अरे भाई लोन है,
Asset liability है.
लाइबिलिटी है.
Sources is liability, application
भैया
is
जियो मारो उसको तो देना पड़ेगा, तो लौटाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं?
और he may
हाँ.
need now money.
These are normally you don't go and tell people you should do like this, you should do like that. Never.
Possible.
Thoughts.
चलो क्या क्या सोचा है आपने? Annual savings are nearly 1/3 fine.
That is the starting point.
Right.
Is it financial prudence to have a car loan on one hand and a bank deposit on the other?
Which we said. Right.
Should father's loan be returned? No, I
Which
don't
also
know
said.
your relationship with your father. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
हम देने
देना
हम
चाहिए.
लोग सोचते हैं
Okay,
देना
good
चाहिए.
father.
I would rather, if I do a little more calculation, it is lying interest free with me. If I give it to my father,
I should
he
give
will-
interest
no,
on it.
He will get interest on the amount and it will get multiplied.
And he's a senior citizen.
Yeah,
You get more interest.
Agreed. And when I want 1 lakh, this 75 will make it 1 lakh and bring it back to me.
Yes.
So it's a possibility. Then should a long-term housing loan be considered instead of
Yes,
savings?
yes, yes.
Yes. This point we missed out. But yes, very
Can
rational.
investments outlay be increased for better wealth creation in coming years? आपने 1 लाख शेयर मार्केट में लगाया लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए 30% रिटर्न आया तो slowly should you slowly over a period of time
Increase it. Because bank fixed deposit is giving you 8%, but guaranteed भी नहीं है, वो 25% guarantee है. Shares gives you 30% return, if not at least 20% in net. I would rather put it in shares.
okay possibility है हम ये नहीं कह रहे
ये
कि आपको
भी
करना
risk factor है.
but
These are the
this
thoughts.
is what a financially savvy person is supposed to tell him कि ये सर possibilities है आप सोचिए but this level you cannot reach till you understand the direction the income and expenses. Now is it clear? Okay, so this is a very carefully nuanced presentation in order to not to give you blank holes. The idea is to slowly fill it in, but after a doubt has arisen in your mind. Okay, that is the whole. Okay.
Sir, if I just put it as if it is paying rent on an office premise against purchase, the same ratio will not be very ideal.
Correct. That's
Capital investment goes very high.
Okay. Now this finishes this presentation. Now I talked about an individual. Now I am going to talk about other forms of organization. This is only talk. So, okay. Now, every individual wants to get